Okay, we got three cars in this heat. One cannot race. We got the raffle car, Jonathan McFadden. Car number 72, Vaughn Bruce. Check. And car number DJ4 is Rod. Come on.
Oh, right? What a ripoff. Yeah, he does. Well, we got work to do. That's not right. They're buddies. Look at the car. Are you going in? Yeah. He flagged off! What? You pulled his flag! Yeah, they're saving their cars for the feature, man. Yeah. Got their partners. Yeah, I know they are. Yeah. That was pretty sweet, man. I'm gonna fucking fire on it. Hey, I gotta go. It's not fair. No.